Let's create a Starry Twilight watercolor background with mask lettering on top. In this tutorial, you'll paint a stellar background design on your watercolor cards using an abstract brushing technique and add sparkling details with a silver pen. The materials will be listed in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your materials. Grab your paintbrush, clean it, and dry it on a tissue paper. Step 2. Brush in your watercolor. Dip your brush into the deep red Ecoline ink, then start brushing the ink onto the watercolor card to reveal the lettering. Concentrate the pigment at the top and brush side to side until you get to the bottom to create a gradient effect. Continue brushing until the entire mask lettering is revealed. Step 3. Create the gradient effect. Clean your paintbrush to remove excess ink. Tilt the card at an angle to allow the ink to flow towards the top. Lightly brush the bottom part of the card with a little water to lighten the color and enhance the gradient effect. Repeat this process as needed to achieve a smooth transition, but avoid using too much water to prevent it from seeping under the mask lettering. Step 4. Tilt your card to blend. Tilt your card to let the inks flow and blend to the top. Step 5. Let the paint dry. Set the card aside to dry completely before adding additional designs. Step 6. Add final touches. After the card is dry, decorate it with a silver opaque pen or marker. Scatter sparkles of various sizes around the lettering and draw some curved dashed lines to balance the design. And we are done. What a beautiful Starry Twilight painting. Now, let me share with you other projects following this technique. You can explore different color combinations as demonstrated in the following fast-forwarded clips. Now, let's speed things up and show you some examples of this technique in action. Do you want to recreate this project and enjoy the magic of these watercolor cards? Check out the description below with links to grab your set of 16 stunningly lettered masked cards. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative content. Share your beautiful work with me by tagging me at nicong.co on social media. I can't wait to see your work. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me today and I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial.